Hello everyone, welcome to Sunglory's factory. This is Lolian. We're a professional A to Z non-stick cookware turnkey project solution provider. We can help you set up non-stick pots and pan production line, rice cooker production line, air fryer production line, and other non-stick cookware production line. Let me show you our factory. This is our non-stick coating demonstration line, which is available for Teflon coating, ceramic coating, and marble coating. Our engineer will design the non-stick cookware production line according to our client's requirement. Our current furnace has 4 temperature zones, from 280 degrees to 425 degrees. The coated pots and pans will be baking inside for 25 to 30 minutes. Our current furnace is good for all paints, including DuPont's, Wilfer, Weilberg, and Grepelon. We use Riello's burner, Siemens PLC, and touchscreen. Our built-in insulation fan can save 50% energy. This is our sandblasting machine for making rice cooker inner pot. As you can see, this current furnace is finished and ready to ship to clients. Our engineer will go to your factory for installation and worker training. We can help you set up a non-stick cookware production line. Behind me, this washing line is almost finished and clients will come to check for acceptance next week. Our washing line is for stainless steel and aluminum cookware, degreasing after deep drawing. Let me show you how it works. We can also provide you non-stick coating line, anodizing line, powder coating line if you're interested in making rice cooker and non-stick cookware. Contact us. Produce your most popular pots, pans, and appliances locally.